Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the laptop so nothing blocks you. Check OS and 64-bit, free up space, and decide on Python 3. Once done, grab the official installer or use your system package manager. Make sure to enable Add to Path during install so commands work globally. After installation, run Python version and pip version to confirm. If tools report correct versions, you're ready to move to project setup. If not, adjust path or reinstall cleanly. Once Python is available, you isolate work with virtual environments so dependencies don't conflict. You create one with Python env and activate it. This ensures pip installs go to the project, not system site packages. Next, choose pip plus requirements. TXT or a tool like Poetry to manage versions and reproducible installs. Make sure your IDE points to the virtual environment interpreter. Configure linting, formatters, and debugging so editing, running, and you finish by running and packaging your code. Run scripts with Python script, Py or Python M package, module, and run tests with PyTest to verify behavior. When ready to share, build wheels or use pinstaller for binaries and include a clear requirements. TXT or pip reject. Make sure to document how to activate the environment. If something breaks, first check whether the virtual env is activated and the correct Python is on path. Mismatched interpreters or version conflicts are the most common fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.